Hi there, students. Downfall, downfall, a noun. Could be countable or uncountable. Okay, somebody's downfall, or the downfall of something, is when there is a sharp drop in their fortunes, a rapid deterioration in status, a deterioration in health is where things get worse. A critical blow, a critical error. Okay, so I wanted to go on diet, but ice cream was my downfall. It was the cause of my ruin. He wanted more and more and more money, and he started breaking the law, and that was the cause of his downfall. So loss of wealth, loss of reputation, to cause somebody's ruin. And this is the downfall, the something that causes the sudden destruction of a person or their organisation or a government. So Partygate, the parties during lockdown were Boris Johnson's downfall. Corruption brought about the downfall of the politician. His inability to arrive at work on time was the beginning of his downfall. Yeah, it's something that causes a loss of money, a loss of power, a loss of health. So his rampant ambition led to his downfall. A loss of prosperity, something that's your ruination. The rise and fall or downfall of the Roman Empire. They say that the downfall of the Roman Empire was too many slaves. Okay, a loss of power, a loss of prosperity, a loss of status. And this is the idea of downfall. Or something that causes somebody's downfall. Gambling was his downfall, and he gambled all his money on horses. Then we have an adjective, downfallen. So I guess Lucifer, or the devil, was a downfallen angel. Yeah, he fought with God, which led to his downfall. Now we can also use this word downfall as in a sudden fall, a sudden heavy fall of something. For example, rain. There was a downfall of rain. Very often I hear a downpour where the rain pours down, but there was a downfall of snow. I think that those two we could use as well. A fall of something, but I think that's probably less common. So the downfall of a successful person, the downfall of the powerful, the downfall of institution is that when they lose power, they lose their position, they lose their status. Okay, this is something that leads to their destruction. Or his absolute honesty has been his downfall. So it can actually be the fall itself or the cause of the fall. Very often we say something is my downfall. Okay, it's something that causes you to fail. Something that brings about your ruin, your collapse, your destruction, your failure. So my enemies are scheming for my downfall. I have powerful enemies who want to engineer my downfall. The scandal led to the politician's downfall. His vanity was his downfall. He's sowing the seeds of his own downfall. Greed led to his downfall. His overweening pride and hubris, Hubris, will lead to his downfall. Okay, so downfall is talking about your failure, your fall from grace, your fall from a position of power. So formality, downfall. 5 in formality, 5.5. Use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it's downfall. Originally it was 2 words, but now downfall only 1. Yeah, it's to fall down. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Downfall.